Welcome, web designers. Today, we're diving into rapid-fire tips to supercharge your user experience using Bootstrap. Ready? Let's go. First up, nail that navigation. Bootstrap makes it a breeze with its responsive navbar. Clear, concise, and user-friendly. Easy peasy. Readable text is a game changer. Bootstrap's built-in classes ensure your text looks sharp and remains legible on any device. No more squinting. Buttons. Bootstrap has a variety of styles to choose from. Make them stand out. Keep them consistent. Your users will love the clickable goodness. There you have it, designers. Bootstrap empowers you to create seamless, delightful user experiences. From navigation to forms, Bootstrap's got your back. Now go rock that web design.